a fan really wanted me to react to this video. So I had to figure out the right time to do it. So I'm gonna be reacting to the world record El Reno, Oklahoma tornado, May 31st, 2013. He didn't say what exactly video. He said react to a video with that topic, so I was like, okay, fuck it. So I tried to find a short one because some of them were long, like between 28 minutes to 50 minutes. So I wanted to react to a short one, so I found this one. May 31st, 2013, southwest of El Reno, Oklahoma. A stationary near the intersection of Jensen Road and Houston Road. Looking, what? West?
Big wall cloud just to our west. Wow. Whoa! Sounds like fireworks or something. Whoa! I got that one.
Awesome. I'm gonna report this wall.
That started. It's rotating.
Is it rotating?
Yes, it's rotating. Gosh! This is crazy. It might just wedge immediately.
After what?
Showing up on the first page of Google might not be the best for everyone.
I hate when it does that. There's an ad, and I'm about to read something, and the ad interrupts. I hate when it does that shit. After repositioning slightly north and east on Jensen Road, I forgot to tell you guys, I finally had my nap. I didn't yesterday, so I was really looking forward to my nap today, and thank God I had one. So I just woke up. That's why I'm a little. You see me a little tired.
Here, but again, we're still trying to get a.
There's huge rising scud happening right behind us.
I don't know if DJ can maybe iris the camera up a little bit. We're getting a lot of light.
We have that on there.
This is evolving in a
There's
weird
storms
way.
from Ponca City down close to Perry to west of Stillwater around Kingfish.
How much rotation is there?
It seems pretty significant to me. Like, there's like rotating scud. It seems like it's pacing us right now. Right, it's coming down right now. It's happening. It's happening right now. Oh my God, it's there. It's multi-vortex wedge. There's a stop sign up here.
Good thing they're far away from it.
Did you get it?
Yes, I got it. Okay, did you see that, Dave?
Yeah, I saw it.
All right. There it goes again! Oh my God, it's right there. Condensation down. Let's just go fast up here so it's gonna be huge. How's our road options? Okay. Oh, there it is again. It's like May 10th. Oh, big multi-vortex. Holy crap!
Wow.
Holy shit.
That was really close. It's getting big. It seems like it's moving faster than I was expecting. Wow, that's big. Wow. I know, I got it. Oh my God, it's like huge multi-vortex. It is like.
Yeah, I can't. For a second, it looked like it was getting thick, but then it looked like there was two of them.
Holy crap! Okay, we can stop up here. Stop, pull over, cross the intersection and pull over.
Time to go.
We won't have much
I know, I gotta film though. Pull over.
Okay,
Okay.
Getting you past there.
You get in the closet or bathroom in the
Hurry,
middle
just
part of
film
the
that.
house, and you get down and you take cover.
That's crazy.
What the fuck? For a second, it looked like legs, like a person was just walking, like a gigantic person.
What time is it?
6:04.
That's the most crazy multi-vortex action I've ever seen.
The fucking tornadoes are like appearing, disappearing.
Just let me know when you want to go.
You tell me.
I'm having a little bit of a hard time gauging this, but yeah, it's still a ways away actually. I'm trying to gauge it by the front of this collar cloud type thing. I'm not filming. I'm zoomed in as far as I can go right now.
You're zoomed in enough so I can see what's going on.
You seeing this okay?
Yeah, I'm seeing this.
The tornado's like forming and deforming.
Wow, look to the right of this turquoise sky. It's just sitting there right now. It's coming down again more. Condensing. Holy crap. Wow, it's just spinning. It kind of, but not really. We're still. Yes. We're gonna need to move a little bit here in a second. What's our east option? So can we just keep going east?
Yeah, keep going east. We have east and south options,
Okay.
and north.
Okay, great. It's about to get big again. What's happening in front of us? Okay. Wow, look at that sliding in. It's like Almora. That scud sliding in across the ground. Yeah, it's well south of us. There's big sinking motion right over top of us to the right.
Now there's two. I was about to say there was two. Yeah, there's two tornadoes again. Now it's formed into one thicker one again.
Not yet though.
Oh, it's gonna get. See, the rain is behind us. Oh my God.
Let me know when you want to move. Oh God, look at it now.
Oh, you gotta tape that.
I
I'm
am.
sorry, we can't.
Yeah,
move.
we're not moving. You have your flashers? Flashers. Sorry. No, I didn't know it looked like a convoy, so. That's big. I want to make sure it's not wedging out back here.
It's not.
Okay. Wow, that is really big. Hail.
Hail. Oh.
That's huge.
And now it's huge.
Listen, how about these wires? Are we okay with the wires?
If they come down, they're going to go.
Spring back.
Now it's getting worse.
There's like a new thing down there.
Oh, the inflow is really strong. Wow, this is crazy inflow.
Yeah.
You taping?
Yeah, it's getting rain wrapped. We're gonna have to move. Back window up, please.
So.
I mean the side back window. You don't have to go too far. Yeah, thanks.
It's very large.
Yeah, it's pretty big. So watch yeah. No, we don't. It looks like it might be moving a little north. Just a little bit. There's another circulation right out here. You see that?
Yeah, I see it.
We gotta be careful of satellites here.
Yeah, I see it.
It's really wedging out. Holy crap, Dave.
The grass looks like...
I think we need to move.
Where?
You know how water is like moving a little bit because of the Earth's rotation? That's what the grass looks like as it's being blown by the wind.
East. Go east.
But if it's going to move a little bit north, you know...
But it's coming back this way.
I think I'd rather go backwards, actually.
Okay. Well, can you see
Yeah, I
okay?
can see.
There's a car coming behind
No,
us.
it's not the top.
Okay.
Damn.
It's wedging out this way.
Yeah, I know. It's really windy here. It's okay. Look, we're already on the back side of it. Wow, Heidi, just take it in.
Yeah, I am. It's multi-vortexing again. There's another one's going to touch down right here. Dave, I'm concerned about this coming back at us.
No, it's not.
It's coming down right here.
I know, I see it.
Move back.
We're fine. Look how the
Yeah,
winds are
I
blowing
know.
away into it. It's okay.
This is really big. Dave, I want to do something else.
We're going to go back.
Careful, careful. You're not going straight.
I know.
You're not. Please be careful. Okay, but you're not going straight.
No, I can see.
You can't even see where the fuck that tornado is.
I don't know what to do, Dave. Please don't let anybody hit us. You have your ball on?
Yep.
Why can't you make a U-turn?
Wow. Extreme earth.
Yeah. Careful, be careful, be careful. Somebody might be flying. There's a road here.
It's okay. It is
Yeah.
okay, I swear. It's really
I
windy.
have to put the window up.
Go ahead.
Please be careful. I'm really afraid somebody's going to smack into it and smack me up.
I know. We're actually out of the worst part. See how the winds are like
Yeah,
out of the west
I know,
now?
I know.
Yeah, we're all
I
right.
know we are. We're very afraid somebody's going to go crazy and smack into it.
After giving the snow 2.5 plus mile wide tornado a little more space, hail to the size of VHS tapes began falling around us. Holy shit, hail's that fucking big? Photogrammetry, never heard of that word before, photogrammetry, suggests some stones may have exceeded 20 centimeters, which is nearly 8 inches. See the link to the video description for more information.
Those are biggest hails I've ever seen. Biggest by far. There's a stop
I
sign.
just need you to be calm.
I'm really okay. I'm just spazzing because of the hail. I'm seriously okay. That's the biggest freaking hail I have ever seen. By far. Dave, I don't think people normally see hail this big. Oh, wow. Oh, jeez. All the poor cows.
All the poor cows, yeah.
Okay, and
Let's not go too fast south here.
Oh shit. Oh. That could have killed somebody. Just kept driving.
Yeah. God, I almost want to go back and get that hailstone. That's the biggest hail I have ever seen. Like, I know, you know, oh, the big ones are just happening here too. There's another.
Oh wow, these are
circulation.
monster hailstones.
Oh God.
The May 31st, 2013 Reno, Oklahoma tornado was officially rated EF3. I'm not sure what that means. Though Raxpol radar data revealed winds of at least 295 miles per hour occurred very close to the surface. The tornado set a record for a maximum width at 2.6 miles and was on the ground for 16.2 miles. Wow. There were 8 fatalities, all of which occurred in vehicles. 4 of those killed were chasing the storm. Luckily, they survived. Shit. Many other chasers barely escaped. Never forget. 2001, 2017. What the fuck? Well, that was the world record El Reno, okay, tornado, May 31st, 2013, which was almost, today is May 14th now, almost 11 fucking years ago. And I'm now able to comprehend how long that is. Hope you guys enjoyed this reaction. If you did, click the like button. Subscribe and hit the bell notification so you won't miss any of my reactions, vlogs, skits, Gary's mod skits. I had to react to this. Somebody really wanted me to react to this, so I had to just do it to get it over with. So yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see y'all next time. Bye bye.